look at them. Whoa! Might be pretty big ones. Get it. Oh, I set on a sharp rock. That one's gonna be epic. I'm sorry guys, it's so loud, but it's gotta be loud. So cool, right guys? Come on, blue! Woo! Hold on the bubble, I connect. Other side though, you can't even see me without these. Like, oh, I have earmuffs on, guys. It's so loud. Watching it through the phone. Ooh, this one might be really cool. Yeah, those ones are really cool. The ones that have a belly and little speckles at the end. Whoa, is that one of them? Yes. Oh, these are one of the go down ones. Woo, purple. Purple! We get purple overload. Purple? Is it purple? Is it purple? What color? Purple! Oh, it's red. Oh, no, it's blue. Oh, it's right over there. Wait. Ooh! That's cool. That's just a bunch of red dots for you guys. Sorry, it's so bright. It's like not focusing. Not focusing good enough. You see it going up. We're pretty close to where they're shooting it. Guys, there's a Kona ice truck here. Love this violence. Whoa! It's like twinkling stars. It looks like twinkling stars. Do more. They should do multiple at a time. That would be really cool. It's my favorite color. Yes! Oh, my head. Whoa! They listen. It's making me iffy because it looks like it's gonna fall on me. But they're too high in the sky. It muffles it a little bit. Me, it's muffling a little bit. Guys, I told you join your friends. It's literally I can't beat fire. That's as far as I can go. Ugh. Oh yeah, you all can see it. See, German, I'm not the only kid with earmuffs. I'm not the only kid with